Hello and welcome back. Today we are just going to have some fun running around, exploring, and I'm going to play Latin because I haven't played that in a while. I'm going to be a male one. I'm going to just pick some fun colors. Let's see, we're going to give him a yellow eye, give him a black snout. We'll go yellow, why not? What is this for? I'll do the brown. That was head color. We're going to do the bright blue. Let's see, pattern. Oh, that one is actually interesting. We're going to do that. Oh, we're going to do skinny boy. Alright, let's see. Let's get a good name for him. Feather lurch. Interesting. Snap hiss. Alright, we've got snap hiss. Let's see what happens. Okay. Load. There we go. Oh, he's so cute, isn't he? I don't use... Oh, hi! There's a Spino. He's a Spino. Hi, Spino. Don't eat me. Angry Spino, geez, just roaring up a storm. It's okay, I don't want to kill. I don't feel like killing. But we are going to spy on him. Sneaky weaky, spy on you. He's being boring now. He's being boring. So, whatever. We'll ignore the angry Spino and just go exploring on our own. That's our quest. Find grassland. I don't want to do that. I guess we could try to collect tiger nuts. If we ever find any. I'd like to find Hoodoo Hills. I still haven't managed to find those. But then again, I also don't use coordinates to find my way around. I just randomly wander and see if I can run into something. So, you know, it's probably my own fault. Let's see. Always gotta keep our eyes open for map bugs because that's the goal of the demo, is to report bugs and get them fixed. So I always keep my eye out for map bugs while I play. This is an interesting looking area. Kinda like it. I wonder if I'll find another player. I mean, there's a fair amount of people online, you know, there's player list. I mean, there's 22. I guess that's fair or not? I don't know. But it seems like a fair amount of people. But who knows where they're all hanging out. I just felt like wandering, though. There's a mushroom. I don't really want a mushroom. Up, up. I like to climb, though. Climbing is fun. Aren't we a cute boy? Skinny raptor. Alright, let's see if we can't find other players. Or Hoodoo Hills. You know, whichever one we find first. Probably going to be other players, because I cannot seem to find Hoodoo Hills without cheating and using coordinates. One day, though, one day I will randomly wander and find them. I like this beech forest. I do. It also feels more prehistoric because there's no grass, and there was actually no grass in the time of the dinosaurs. But I like the redwoods too. Sorry, I thought I heard something, but I guess I didn't actually hear anything. But I thought I did. We're gonna go through the log, because I like going through tunnels. Whee! So much fun. Okay, anyways, off we go some more. I'm sure we'll find something eventually. Whittle waddle, whittle waddle. It's so quiet. Where are all the other players? All we found so far is one angry Spino. Maybe they're hiding, or they're all gathered at one lake, like in my last video. So do you think this leads to a barrier? Or do you... Oh, nope, there is a barrier. Ah, see, it's right there. I'm not even gonna bother going down. So we're gonna turn our backs to the barrier. We're gonna go a different direction, because I'm not falling into that trick. I know sometimes exciting stuff doesn't happen, but that's you know, I did get an editing program though. I just have to use it, learn how to use it. So I can now edit videos, so that's nice. I haven't been able to edit videos for quite a while because I lost the one I had, and they're so stinking expensive for a good one. And if you use a free one, it puts a big old watermark across your video, and I didn't like that. So instead, I can now edit the video. And actually, I might edit this video because there's a lot of nothing happening right now, and I don't know how many of you actually care to just watch me wander. So maybe I'll edit the video and oh nope, another barrier, and cut it down to where all the exciting stuff happens. You know, if exciting stuff happens. Maybe I will finally find Hoodoo Hills or other players. I'm gonna go down here instead. I think up there's a bad idea. So I just realized that weather has been re-enabled. Look, my Latin's feathers are soaking because I have been rained on. It's raining and I am now soaked. Isn't that cool? It looks great. Like, I actually look like a wet rat. It looks terrible. Or, no, okay. It looks great, but my Latin looks terrible because he looks like a turkey that fell in the water. A doused chicken. He's so... And I also realized that I was reading the patch notes, so as well as weather being re-enabled, so if you just tap jump, you jump, but if you hold jump, you jump even higher. So tap, jump a little bit, hold, you jump really high. So that's pretty cool. Like, that's neat. I didn't realize that. I was reading the patch notes and I saw that. Plus, it started raining, and I wanted to show you guys the rain, so testing my new editing software by cutting out all the boring stuff in the middle to show you the rain-soaked Latin. Yes, weather, all that cool stuff. Alright, so anyways, we're running back, we're running around. I want to kind of get a picture. I want to get a picture of Mr. Soggy Raptor. Let's see if we can't get a nice picture of Mr. Soggy Boy. It's a nice place for pictures. Actually, you know what, we're gonna walk. Yeah, walk. No, you're supposed to keep walking, not stop walking. And let's see. Oh no, I think I'm not getting soaked anymore. I might have to wait for more rain to get a good soaked picture. Still a nice picture by Raptor though, isn't it? Yeah, I think so. So I'll just take a picture anyways. But yeah, I'm not wet anymore. It's not raining anymore. Aw. It's still foggy though. Look at the fog. Isn't it pretty cool looking? I think it's cool looking. I think the fog's pretty darn cool. And the rain. I look forward to seeing what else they can do with that. Alright, so I hit a barrier back there, so we're actually going to run away and hopefully find a way around the barrier. Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. Hopefully it rains again. That was fun. I'd like to see more rain. Ooh, look at all the stinking acorns. Oh yeah, I completed a quest. Okay, hold on, gotta activate Ansel on the escape menu to get my cursor back. Okay, now I can check my quests. I completed a quest. Now I need, oh, we gotta go find Sinkhole now. Alright. Anyway, off we go again. Maybe it'll rain again, maybe it won't. I don't know. I'd like it to, though. Now that I can edit my videos, I can, you know, splice it down to the interesting stuff. But we'll see. I also don't want to just like splice it down to a few minutes here and there with constant transitions. So you guys do get a little bit of me wandering and rambling in the meantime, because, you know, interesting stuff only happens for a short time. If I only find like one thing, if I find players, there'll be a lot of interesting stuff. And I like just walking and roaming around, but some people have been complaining that my videos are boring and I should cut out all the walking around because, you know, they don't care. So I'm going to try and find a happy middle ground, because I know some people also like to just see gameplay, like raw, unedited footage of the game, and that includes just running around the maps. So maybe I can find a happy medium where everybody is enjoying my videos regardless of how, you know, what little is going on or how much I cut out. I don't know. I'm just rambling while I play, like normal, just like normal. I want to see more rain. Show me more rain. That's such a short rain shower. I'm also out of stamina. Whoops. There's a lot of berry bushes here. Because there's another patch right over there. Yeah, I'm out of stamina. Probably should have been a little more careful. That's okay. We are just going to keep wandering. I'm sure I will eventually. Oh look, more berry bushes. This is like herbivore paradise. There's food everywhere for them. Lucky them. I'm getting kind of, my Latin's getting kind of hungry. I wouldn't mind having some food. I need to either find a player or find a carcass, because I'm getting a little munchy. Come on, get up the hill. You're so slow. Run up the hill. I command you. Ooh, what a pretty sunset, though. Let's stop and admire the sunset for a moment. Very nice. Okay, we have admired the sunset. We will now resume our roaming and wandering and rambling, just like normal. Up we go. Up, some more. Ooh, that's pretty cool looking, isn't it? I think so, at least. Though it means it's gonna be nighttime. But the good news is that since I can, oh, come on, get up. Since I can edit, I can cut out nighttime when you can barely see what's going on. Unless, of course, something interesting happens during nighttime. But I look forward to messing with my new recording program. I bought it on sale. It seems like it's very basic, but it seems like it'll do what I want it to do, which is basically cutting videos and putting in a transition and maybe allowing voiceover now and then. All that kind of good stuff. So we're going to enjoy the redwoods at sunset, though, because I think the lighting in the game is beautiful. Look at that. It's so nice looking. It really is. I know I gush a lot, but that's because it's beautiful. I mean, I love the redwoods at night, at sunset. It's so nice. Ooh, that's a long ways down. Alright, we're going to go down. Ooh, wait. Is that a map bug? Yeah, we're gonna / map bug, because that is the point of the demo, is to actually record and report bugs, not so much just playing. And I like to try and make sure I do my bug reports while I play, because I might not be able to find them later, so might as well do it now. Ooh, I found a cave. Look how cool it is. It's a big one. Pretty nifty. I'm not sure if this is where I chased a raptor as a Spino, but I don't think so. I think it's too big for that. Pretty cool, though. It's also slightly foggy, which is really nice. I like it. Hasn't started raining yet, though. I'm hoping it rains again. I would really like to see the rain effect. I'm kind of lost as well. But yeah, I love the fog. Look at the little fogginess. It's so cool. Very cool. Let's see if we can't get a nice picture of the fog. No, I don't want to add a filter. I want to adjust my depth of field to better show the fogginess. It is a nice skin. I like it. Oh, I like this angle. And snap again. Might as well get a couple different angles, but that seems good. Anyways, I am hoping for more rain so we can see the rain effect again, because every time I've gotten the rain effect, it's been kind of dark. I don't know where I am. Just a little on the lost side. But I'm really enjoying the fog. Oh, yay, look, it's raining again. Hooray. Okay, so now we can get a nice look at our replica. Let's get him out in over here. And we'll take a picture. Or get a nice close-up again. I like it. I think it looks good. Alright, let's see. Let's try and see what it looks like when a Spino's wet. I don't imagine it's going to look too different, but it is a lot darker now. It's a lovely lighting effect, though. Let's see if we can't do something with that pretty light. Go away, I don't care if I'm in the grasslands or not. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Keep departing and entering grasslands. It's not what I wanted to. Okay, there. Maybe that'll be good. Look, you can see the raindrops. A rainy Spino day. Actually, I think that looks pretty cool. I like that you can see the raindrops in Ansel. Let's see if we can't get the tail more in the picture, though. Poor rainy Spino. He's getting his little head rained on. Oh well. I think that looks pretty cool, though. I love the fact that there's now weather and fog and all that good stuff. Especially looks good on feathers, I think. But yeah, all the skins now show a kind of darker color when it's raining. Gets sodden and soaked. Can I get up this hill? I don't think I can get up this hill. Oh, I can get up this. Oh wait, no, maybe I can't. Okay, fine. We won't go up the hill. Nah, it took so long to turn around. Oh, that was the way up right there. Oh. I love the effect the sunset has through the fog. It's so pretty. Looks even better from up here. Ooh, a lake. I don't remember a fish back. We might as well check. Fish are back, look. Fish have returned. Perfect. Let's see if I can get one. There's one. Come here. Oh, I'm out of stamina. Why'd I It's okay, I'm steering him into the shallows. Gotcha. I like that you can... It kind of looks like a wildfire almost, doesn't it? Spooky. Spooky. Let's see if we can't get a lovely picture of him with the wildfire looking background. Ooh, that looks kind of cool. Now I don't know who to use for a thumbnail, my Spino or my Raptor. Latin, whatever. But yeah. New fog, rain, lighting effects, fish are back, new precise movement Dasuko, which I haven't tried out yet. The jumping changes to Latin and other jumping dinosaurs. All very interesting stuff. I look forward to seeing what else they do in the upcoming days. But so far I've been really happy with the progress they've been making. Let's see if I can't get one more picture to wrap the video up with. Oh, I don't like how the fish is up in the air. Maybe this one would be better. I'm very picky about my fish postures. Nope, that one's not better either. Maybe moving too fast is what's doing it. Maybe I need to move slower. No, I want you to move. There we go. The fish is still straight up in the... I know. Oh well. Oh well. I won't waste too much of your time with that. Such a pretty background though. I like it. Even if the fish is ruining my picture by not posing correctly. Like, this would be great if the fish was in the right posture. Oh well. Maybe we'll try this one. One more. No, that doesn't look good either. There's only so much I can do with what I'm given. Oh wait. Anyways, that'll wrap this one up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I can now edit videos, so I'll be cutting out all the boring parts whenever I feel like something's too boring. But I'm glad fish are back. I love the addition of fog and weather. I mean, just look at this. It's so pretty. It's great. It's lovely. I can't help myself but just look and see out all the different pictures I can take in it. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Snap. Okay, anyways, that will be it for now. I hope you guys had a good time and enjoyed it, and I will make another one soon with more fun. Maybe we'll try out the Suko's new precise movement. I don't know. But in the meantime, you all... Oh no, he has no call. Why is that? Oh, now he's got noise. Okay. Anyways, that'll be it for this one.